So according to F6 schedule, we are doing all that. Clear? And also share this schedule beta in your WhatsApp group, so that accordingly, if you miss any class, accordingly you have to do. Clear? Okay. Now, then again, as you know that always I share the websites. These are very much interesting. Whenever you got time, you have to visit these websites. It enhances your knowledge related to that topic. Getting my point, beta?
Assalamualaikum, ma'am.
Can you share these websites in
Yes,
group?
yes, I share. Yes, I shared it to you on WhatsApp also. Yes. Okay. Next comes to objective. Okay. Okay. As all of you know that always teacher have some objective. Whenever she plan a lesson, she have an objective. So my objective is that all of you will be able to recognize triangles according to their sides and according to their angles. Getting my point? Now, who will tell me? Do you tell me an example, real life example of related to triangle? You saw any shape which is which shape is okay? How many of you have your younger brother or sister? Any boy has a younger brother who is 2 or 3 years old? Okay, Samir. Okay, better whenever you want to ride, you use bicycle. But when he wants to ride, which thing he has to use? He has a cycle or not?
Great.
And how many wheels it have?
Two.
Small younger brother when or sister when cycling, how many cycle have?
Four.
One by one, please.
Ma'am, 3.
Wait. So what do you call that cycle? Can you call bicycle that cycle?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
You say
Tricycle.
If you remember, you say try. T-R-I, try mean anything which have 3. Try mean 3. Similarly, triangles mean any shape who has 3 angles. Getting my point, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now tell any real life example of triangle you saw here and there. Maybe in your room also. Maybe in your buildings. Any boy?
Ma'am, auto rickshaws.
Wow, auto rickshaw is look like a triangle to some extent, but better they have 3 actually they are no. Always remember triangle is 2 dimension, but auto rickshaw is 3 dimension. So it is not the example of triangle. Do you know what is of 2 dimension? Any shape who has 2 sides. Clear? It has only.
Ma'am, in our window designs.
Okay. Yes, window. Okay. Now I will help you. Oh, look here. Sometimes your mama made sandwich like a triangular shape. Is it true or not? Sometimes she made a rectangle. Sometimes she made a square. But sometimes she made French fry, French toast, or she made sandwiches like this shape. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
who will eat this, beta? In a louder
Example.
voice, Hussain Shah, what are you doing?
Triangle is a three-sided and two-dimensional closed
Hussain Shah,
structure.
I deduct your marks.
Triangle is a three-sided and two-dimensional closed structure. It is a polygon with 3 corners, vertices, and 3 angles joined together, forming a closed structure.
Excellent. And do you know what is a polygon? Polygon is any closed figure. Clear? Which has minimum 3 sides and maximum side and no limit. Clear, beta?
Ma'am, another
Ma'am, like
example.
a room is a polygon.
Yeah, your room is a polygon. Clear? So if any closed figure who have 3 corners or 3 vertices, vertices also mean corners, 3 angles and 3 sides. So this closed structure is called triangle. Getting my point?
Another example, a piece of a pizza.
Which example, beta? Be loud, beta, Samir.
Ma'am, piece of pizza.
What?
Piece of pizza.
I don't understand what you are saying. Okay, now we come to the next example. Very important. Whenever you go to the road, you saw such sign. What do you call these signs?
Ma'am, road signs.
It helps you while moving. So all these road signs are in which shape? triangular shape.
Triangles.
Triangle
Yeah.
shape.
One more thing which I want to discuss. Okay. This called truss bridges. You saw these bridges in Pakistan. Whenever you move here and there, even from Sargodha to Faisalabad, you saw a old bridge like this. You saw or not?
Yes, on ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Always remember why, beta, this such type of bridges, such bridges are called truss bridges. Why we beta made such type of bridges? Because truss bridges have supporting structure. Which structure it has? Supporting structure. And the shape of this supporting structure is, what is the shape of this supporting structure?
Ma'am, like triangle.
Triangle. What is the shape of this supporting structure? Triangle.
Triangle.
Why it is in this shape? Because it helps to distribute the weight without changing the proportion. Clear? So even heavy vehicle when went on this bridge, who is making noise? Okay, I will mute.
एक भी था के वॉइस मैसेज लिख
No.
दिया था देखा ना
Be quiet, please, all of you. I check who is unmute your mute your mics. I check it. Mute
इसको
your.
तो बंद कर
All of you must mute your mics. I have to check it. Hurry up. Okay, give me 1 minute. I want to check who don't mute his mic. Why you disturb your class? Just give me 1 minute, beta. I just want to show who is not muting the mic. Only 1 minute. Okay. Good. Look here, beta, truss bridge. Why it is called truss bridge? Because its supporting structure shape is look like a triangle. And how it helps? Because even heavy vehicle go on this bridge, because this triangular shape distribute their weight. Getting my point? So whenever you want to make a bridge, you have to use such type of structure so that it distribute the weight, and for this it helps for moving heavy vehicle go on from this bridge smoothly. Getting my point? Now we comes to the another example which is very much important. How many of you are interested in seeing National Geography? Any one of you interested in it? Okay, you unmute your mic and tell me, please. Any one of you interested in National Geography channel? Unmute your mic. Okay, I will unmute. Okay. I mute all of you. Okay, wait. Wait, beta. Okay, I will unmute you. Sorry. Okay. Now, who will tell me who is interested in National Geography channel? Please unmute yourself.
I am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I am.
Have you ever heard? Okay, wait on, beta. Have you ever heard about Bermuda Triangle?
Yes, ma'am. Bermuda Triangle.
Very interesting. You know, whenever.
Yes, ma'am. It is a place where ships or other thing flies over it, but they are never found and they fall in the sea.
Excellent. What's your name? What's your name? Who tell me this information? Very true.
I'm Ahmed Daniel.
What's your name, beta?
I'm Ahmed Daniel.
Mohammed Daniel. Excellent. Yes, you are right.
Ahmed Daniel.
There are 50 huge ships and 20 aircraft. Actually, this lies in Atlantic Ocean. All of you know about Atlantic Ocean. But
Yes, ma'am.
exactly, if they came in this triangle, this is called Bermuda Triangle. It disappeared, mysteriously disappeared, and nobody knows up till now what happened with them. Getting my point? So this is
Yes, I know how they sank.
and
I know how they sank.
devil triangle also, because it is very dangerous triangle. Clear? So please search it out. Other information about Bermuda Triangle. Now we comes to our today's topic.
Ma'am, first there was.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, first people didn't know how they sank aircraft and ships. But ma'am, there was a documentary on National Geographic the other day telling about how they sank.
Okay. And what's your name, beta?
Ahmed Daniel.
Ahmed Daniel. Well done. Very interesting. I'm happy that Ahmed Daniel also watch National Geographic channel. Okay, beta, this is our today's topic. Today we learn about angles.
There's a gravity problem in this.
Okay, beta. Today we learn beta angle according to their sides, and also we have to learn it about according to their angles. But before doing this, I also upload a video. Beta, at first you have to listen it carefully, and suppose if any problem in sound, no problem. I have to repeat that thing which is shown in the video. Clear? So today I also download a video for you. Is the voice clear, beta? Or no?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No.
No? Okay, okay, no problem. I will.
Hello, hello.
Wait. Wait.
Of their sides. A scaling
Now, is it clear?
triangle has three different sides. Therefore, you're going to have three different angles.
And now can you do it from starting?
Okay, ठीक है. I will start from starting. Okay, wait. Oh. Wait, beta. Wait.
Welcome to Moo Math and Science. In this video, I'd like to talk about different types of triangles. A triangle is a three-sided plane shape with three sides and three angles. In this video, I will go over the properties of the most common triangles you will probably encounter in geometry class. Up first are triangles that are classified by the length of their sides. A scalene triangle has three different side lengths. Therefore, you're going to have three different angle measures. An isosceles triangle has two congruent sides or equal sides. And therefore, you have at least two congruent angles. An equilateral triangle has three equal or congruent sides. And the angle measure equals 60 degrees. Triangles are also classified by their angles. There are three angles often associated with triangles. Acute angles are less than 90 degrees. Right angles are exactly 90 degrees, and obtuse angles are greater than 90 degrees. All triangles have at least two acute angles. So the third angle determines the type of triangle that you have. An acute triangle is a triangle with three angles that measure less than 90 degrees. An obtuse triangle is a triangle with one angle greater than 90 degrees. And a right triangle is a triangle with one right angle, or an angle that measures 90 degrees. There we go. The different types of triangles. You look at the side lengths and the angle measures. Thanks for watching, and Moo Math uploads a new math and science video every day. Please.
Okay, I will explain this video again. Actually, please, beta, they are saying that we have classified triangle according to their sides. Look here, if no sides equal, what do we call it?
And scalene triangle.
Well done. And if two sides are equal, but then if two sides are equal,
Isosceles triangle.
three sides are equal.
Equatorial triangle.
And beta, always remember the traffic sign which you saw on the roadside. These are also the example of equilateral. You saw all the three sides are equal in traffic sign boards.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is very good example of equilateral triangle. Now we comes to angles are also classified according to their angle, inside their angle, interior angles. Look here. If all three angles are less than 90 degrees, what do we call?
Acute angle.
Less than 90.
Acute triangle.
In your childhood, you learn about angles?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Then you know about acute. Obviously, your math teacher told you about acute. It is less than 90 degree.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
if
ma'am.
all three angles, please better remember, if all three angles are less than 90, then it is called acute angle triangle. But if one angle is
Okay, ma'am.
greater than 90, then it is called obtuse. And if one of it is 90 degree, then it is called
Right angle.
Always
Right triangle.
Well
Right
done.
angle.
But
Right angle.
always remember, what is the sum of triangle? When we sum all these three angles, what is the sum of triangle? Do you know? Boys, Asan Mansoor, do you know? What is
Yes,
the sum of
ma'am.
triangle?
Yes.
It is equal to 180 degree. Always remember.
180.
Yeah, okay, I will wait. I will tell you. Okay. I use the board so it becomes more easier for you. Clear? Okay. Always remember, whenever we have to draw a triangle, it has three angles inside of it. Clear?
Three angles.
One is the first
Yes,
angle.
ma'am.
I use different colors. This one is of the second angle, and now we comes to the third, and this one is the third. And whenever we have to add all these three, they sum up to 180 degree. Always
180.
remember, they sum up to 180
Yes,
degree.
ma'am.
It came in your exam also in fill in the blanks or in true false.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the sum of angle
Yes,
in a
ma'am.
triangle? It is of
180.
180
always
degree.
remember, because
180 degrees.
better daily I told you some important point related to angle and you must remember it, please. Clear? So today I told you the sum of angle in a triangle is equal to how many degrees, beta?
180 degree.
180
Excellent,
degree.
boys. Excellent, boys. It is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Again we comes to our slides. So all of you have your loose sheets, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
beta, now it's time to work something. First, I have to explain it to you. Then you have to do. Today we have to do practice number 1 and then question number 1. Getting my point? As it is given in your.
Getting, ma'am.
You raise your hands up, beta. Yes, what you want to tell? Okay. Oh.
मैं सुभान खालिद को इन कर दे मैम
हमारी बात जो जी बेटा
मैं सुभान खालिद को इन कर दे
सुभान खालिद को
मैम मीटिंग में इन कर दे
अच्छा ओके आई डोंट सी हिम सुभान खालिद इज नॉट हियर बेटा
Yes, ma'am.
सुभान खालिद इज नॉट हियर
Ma'am, Subhan Khalid left because his net was slow.
okay okay no beta I don't saw anyone in
No,
that.
ma'am.
No
वो
one
enter हुए थे.
Subhan is not here beta
मैम ही
Ma'am, he
the
left
meeting
Tell Subhan again
My net
enter
is slow.
because I don't saw him. Then I said to
Okay.
Subhan, please enter again. Because I don't saw anyone in a waiting room. Yes. Okay. Now I have to
No,
start.
ma'am, he said my net is slow.
Maybe his net speed is slow. You are right. That's why it happened. Okay. Now we comes to this. This is practice now 1 and 2 shapes are drawn. What do you call these 2 shapes?
Triangles.
Well done. By the way, why
Triangle.
Shaheen called it triangle? Who will tell me? Why you call it triangle?
three sides and because it has three sides
Because it has three sides.
and because it has three sides
Excellent, excellent.
Because it has three sides.
Told you better. What is the sum of angles? These three angles in a
180
180 degree. 180
Okay,
degree.
okay. Now I saw him in waiting room. Okay, Danish and Subhan. Okay, I will admit them. But why they are admitting so late?
Ma'am, they have net problem.
Okay, sorry. Okay. Please, beta, don't raise your hands up for a while because we have already late. First, we have to do this. Okay.
Okay.
One beta, and 2 angles are also given. 65 degree, 90 degree. You have to find the value of this A. This is the third angle. Clear? And you know the sum of
Ma'am, we
Yes,
plus that and minus
180 degree.
180.
Fine?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now look here. What shall you do? Suppose this one is your first angle.
And we plus,
Then you have to plus the second one.
then plus, and then a
Okay, then
minus
you have to plus
180.
the third one. And all of these will equal to what?
180.
180.
Hurry up, solve it. Hurry up.
Okay, ma'am.
You have to add these two and then you have to subtract from 180. You know it?
Yes, ma'am, I know. 155. 155.
Who is making noise?
Ma'am, we will not have to draw the shapes of the angles.
No, because it is already drawn in the books, beta. There is no need to draw the shape. Just write the value, 3 values. And again, you want to find value of A. Then what shall you do? You have to subtract the addition of 95 from 180. 180.
Minus 180.
Yes.
And I have done
minus,
an answer
okay.
is 25.
Okay, beta.
Yeah.
First, beta, you have to sum these two and then you have to subtract from which number? 180. Hurry up, do it, beta.
Ma'am,
Hurry up.
ma'am, I have done minus is 125.
Okay, well done. What's your name, beta? Well done, beta. What's your name?
Muntazir.
Okay, well done, Muntazir. Okay. Now we comes to the second. This is very much interesting. Look here. You saw here these two values are same. This one is A. Again, this one is also A. What do you call this type of triangle? Just tell me. If two sides are equal, what do you call this triangle?
Ma'am, equilateral.
No.
Equatorial.
Only two sides are equal. Only two sides are equal.
Ma'am,
What do you call? Yes, you are right. What do you call, beta?
Ma'am, isosceles.
Well done. You call it isosceles triangle. And always remember, in isosceles triangle, base angles are equal. Base angles are equal mean that both have the same value. Getting my point? Clear or not? Clear or not clear? Okay. Okay. Now, or again, you have to know that the sum of a triangle is equal to what?
180.
Well done, 180. Now you have to write.
180.
Now, who will tell me A plus A is equal to what? A plus A is equal to what?
A plus
Ma'am,
How many A's are there?
20. 2A.
Well done, 2A. Then you have to write plus. What is the third side of angle? What is the third side
52.
of angle? Look here.
52.
Well done. And after that, you have to subtract 52 from which number?
From 180.
Okay. And then
180.
if you want to find the value of A, what should you do? You have to divide it by what? You have to divide it by?
180.
2.
No. You have to subtract 52 from 180. And after the answer, you have to divide it by?
M2.
Okay. Okay, beta. I also solved this practice now question for you. Now look here. Wait. I have to solve for you. I have to show the solution. You have done on your loose sheet, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Or your notebooks? Okay. Now check it, beta. Look here. As all of you know, sum of angle in triangle is equal to what? Look here. Is equal to
180.
So beta, 90 plus 65 plus A is equal to this. And when you have to solve, which value you have to get?
Then 25. We will get 25.
How many of you get 25?
Ma'am, me.
Ma'am,
Okay,
I
well
am
done,
integer.
well done. Now comes to the second. Look here. Because this is isosceles, so AC is equal to BC. Look here. If this is isosceles, because base angles are equal, so this means AC is equal to BC.
BC.
So this means both of these values are equal. So you have to subtract 180 minus 52. Clear? And which value you have to get? 128.
128.
Then you have to divide it by
128.
2. And after dividing it by
And answer is
what will
64.
happen? What will be your
64.
answer, beta?
64.
Excellent. What will be your answer? 64. Now we comes to the
64.
exercise. Okay. Now beta, we comes to the exercise. This one is your question number 1. And beta, in exercise, 4 parts are included in according to FSEC OSP round 2. Clear? Total there are 6 parts, but how many parts you have to do, beta? 4.
4 parts.
Clear? Now look here. We comes to the first part. Triangle name is A, B, and C. What is the first side, beta? One by one, please.
20.
Okay. Well done. You are right that sum of angle is equal to 180. But what is the first side, beta?
Then 20.
Well done, 20. And what is the second side?
60.
Good. And this third side is missing. Now you have to solve. First,
We will m plus 60 and 20 and minus from 180.
well done.
Okay.
And we will plus 60 and 20 and minus from 180.
Okay. What will be the answer?
100.
Excellent. And what's your name?
M. Muntazir.
Well done, Muntazir. I'm happy with you. Now comes to the second one. Okay, Shahir, please tell me. When you have to sum 70 plus 40, what will be your answer? 70 plus 40.
Ma'am, 70 plus 40.
Muntazir, be quiet, please. Now it is the turn of Shahir. Yes, Shahir, beta.
Ma'am, 110.
Excellent. And beta, when you subtract from 180, what will be your answer?
Ma'am, 70.
Excellent. I also do this solution for you. Please check it. Okay.
Okay.
Look here, beta. First you must know sum of angle in a triangle is equal to 180. So when you have to subtract these values, you will get 100. All of you get 100?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
and then
ma'am.
you have to better recognize which type of this angle is. You must know 2 sides. You must know all these 3. One angle is of 20 degree, the other is 60 degree, and the third one is of 100 degree. So we call it obtuse angle triangle. Now we comes to the second. When we have to subtract, which answer we have to get? We get 70. Clear or not clear? Clear or not clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we come to the part C and D. And this part is done by you. Getting my point?
And can I tell?
And no, you don't tell, you just do it and then switch on your videos and show me your page. Hurry up, Muntazir. Hurry up.
Okay, ma'am.
Look here, I will explain. First side is 60 degree, beta. The second is 60. Third, you have to find. First, you must know that sum of angle in a triangle is equal to
180.
Excellent. Do in a very good handwriting. Then switch on your videos and show me your solution.
Okay, ma'am.
These 2 will be done by you.
Okay.
Well
Okay,
done.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Wait a minute.
Okay. And for all the boys who joined me late, Danish, Hamza, and what is the third name? I show you this video again because this is very much interesting, and better it helps you in identifying about the type of triangle. First, you have to watch this video before doing this. Clear?
Welcome to Moo Math and Science. In this video, I'd
All
like to
these
talk
5
about
boys, please
different
pause this
types
video.
of
Is it
triangles.
audible?
A triangle is a 3-sided plane shape with 3 sides and 3 angles. In this video, I will go over the properties of the most common triangles you will probably encounter in geometry class. Up first are triangles that are classified by the length of their sides. A scalene triangle has 3 different side lengths. Therefore, you're going to have 3 different angle measures. An isosceles triangle has 2 congruent sides or equal sides. And therefore, you're going to have at least 2 congruent angles. An equilateral triangle has 3 equal or congruent sides. And the angle measure equals 60 degrees. Triangles are also classified by their angles. There are three angles often associated with triangles. Acute angles are less than 90 degrees. Right angles are exactly 90 degrees, and obtuse angles are greater than 90 degrees. All triangles have at least two acute angles. So the third angle determines the type of triangle that you have. An acute triangle is a triangle with three angles that measure less than 90 degrees. An obtuse triangle is a triangle with one angle greater than 90 degrees. And a right triangle is a triangle with one right angle, or an angle that measures 90 degrees. There we go. The different types of triangles. You look at the side lengths.
Okay. Now rest of the boys, you have done better these two parts. Boys, you have done these two parts better. Switch on your videos. I want to show your work better. Switch on your videos. Just share your image better. Boys.
Ma'am, I am still doing. My connection was.
Okay, well done. Okay, you have to do. You have to do better. You have to do. Okay, Zain has only shown the video. What about the rest? Sayyid Muntazir? Okay. And then tell the answer of this. Lukman, you are too late for today. Now only 3 minutes are left. Well done. Danish, you have done better. Well done, Danish. Good. Shahir is doing. Samir is doing. Well done, Shahir. Good, good. The answer is, what is the angle of C? 60 degree. Well done.
And it was a equilateral triangle.
And what do we call it? We call it equilateral triangle because all three angles are of 60 degree. And according to its side, obviously, if this is equilateral, this means all three sides are equal. So we call it equilateral triangle. And we also call it all angles are less than 90 degrees, so we call it
Ma'am,
acute angle triangle. This one is equilateral and acute angle triangle.
I have done.
acute angle.
According to their sides, equilateral, and according to their angle, it is acute. Clear?
Acute. Clear, ma'am.
Okay. Look here, I have to write. It has two parts. First one is, look here. You can say it is equilateral.
Yes, ma'am.
The second one, better, you have to say it is, what do you call, all three are less than 90 degree. So what do you call it?
Acute.
Ma'am,
Acute angle.
acute angle.
Triangle. Yes. Similarly, better, now we have to come to this. What is the value of this C? Who will tell me? Mohammed Sami, what is the value of C?
Ma'am, 48 to 42 plus 90.
Just 90 better. So what do we call it? If it is 90, what do we call it?
Right angle.
Right angle triangle.
Right angle. Look here, all three sides are different. So what is its name?
Ma'am, scalene.
And its name is scalene.
Scalene.
Clear? And it is right angle triangle. Clear to all?
It is also
Yes, ma'am.
triangle.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
answer is 90.
SM, don't make noise. That's why I mute you. Clear to all?
हमने राइट के स्पेलिंग गलत लिखे हैं.
But you're saying, oh, okay, no problem. I do it so that you must know what is exact spelling. RIG